Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making beef nacho bake in a Ninja Foodi. Alright, I have my Ninja Foodi set on saute high and it's getting hot. Now I'm going to start by adding about a pound of ground beef. Maybe a hair over. And I'm going to get this in here and I'm going to break it up and brown it up. Now this isn't lean ground beef, so I'll have to drain off the excess grease. Now that my ground beef is all browned up and I drained off the excess grease, I have a 12-ounce bag of frozen corn I'm going to dump in here. And I still have this on saute high. I'm going to allow my corn to fry in there for a minute, thaw out, and start to warm up. And while we're doing that, over here in a bowl I have 3/4 of a cup of mayonnaise. I'm going to add in a tablespoon of chili powder. And I'm just going to eyeball this. Make this easy on myself. And I'm going to go ahead and stir that together. And I'm just going to let this set aside for a minute while my corn thaws out and warms up. Alright, now that I allow my corn to saute in there for a few minutes, probably about 3 or 4 minutes, it's softened up and it's thawed out and warmed up. I'm going to dump in a 1.5 cups of chunky salsa. And this jar might just have a hair over in it. We're just going to polish this jar off. I'm going to get our mayonnaise in there. Guys, this is a real quick meal for a busy weeknight. And we know if you're working and you have kids at home, we all know we have them busy nights. Alright. I'm going to give this a stir quick to get everything incorporated. I turned off my Ninja Foodi. We're done with the saute feature. I'm just going to stir in the mayonnaise and the salsa. Evenly distribute it. Alright, now here's where we get interesting, guys. I have a 9.25 ounce bag of Frito chips. If you can't get Frito chips where you live, tortilla chips will do just fine. I'm going to go ahead and put about half of them in. And I'm going to eat one. Love Fritos. I'm going to stir them in. Alright. Now I'm going to take some shredded cheddar cheese and I'm going to sprinkle some in here. Just enough to coat the top, probably about a cup. I'm going to put some more Fritos, or the rest of the Fritos, down on top. And guys, I have to eat one of them. Really good. I'm going to cover that with cheese. About another cup of cheese. Alright, now I'm going to close down my air fryer lid. And I'm going to set this on air crisp. I'm going to leave it at 390. I'm going to set my time for 5 minutes. That should be time enough to melt that cheese and brown that up nicely. Alright, my 5 minutes is up. See how nice and golden brown that got? The cheese is melted. I'm sure everything's heated through. This is ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. Now you could top this with sour cream and cilantro, but anybody that's been watching me for a while knows I don't like sour cream or cilantro, so I just covered this with a little bit of fresh parsley. You could also put pico de gallo over that. There's many things you could do with it, or serve this over many things. We're just eating simple tonight. Let me get in here and give this a try. Get some of this beef down here. So crunchy. Alright. The beef is creamy with that mayonnaise in there. You get that chili powder and that salsa. Gives it a nice spicy Mexican flavor. You got the cheese and Doritos, the crunch of Doritos. And then you get that nice crisp corn. Not raw, not chewy, but a nice crisp fresh corn. That's really delicious, guys, and it was easy, really easy. Alright, there you have it. Beef nacho, bacon, and Ninja Foodi. Thanks for watching. Remember, love what you eat and eat what you love.